Hi, I wanted to let you know of an important tip. The session storage that we know of in JavaScript is not really the session storage. So please don't use it to store anything that's session related. For example, a session cookie or some information that you would store to identify a user's browsing session. Let me illustrate that with a simple example. Let's just create a simple file called... Actually, let me just create an HTML file. I'll copy this stuff and I'll say, paste it here, and over here I'll just say session storage dot set item foo is bar. That's it. And if I run this, I have a server on, so I can run this on port this one, and I can say session.html. And if I look at the session storage.getItem, it should give me bar. Now, as soon as I add a link to this page, if I add a link over here and I refresh this, now I haven't closed the browser tab, so that session storage should still be available. I can go and verify that by checking the session storage, and I see foo has the value bar, or I can type it in the console here. And that gives me bar. And if I go to this page, well, I don't have a page yet, but I can still see the session storage has the value foo bar. So let me go and create one page first. I'll just copy this and I'll add another page on the same domain. And let's just say, go back to this page doesn't set the session storage again, it's just a simple page. If I click, if I go back to this page, refresh it, I click this guy, and if I try to get this item now, it's still bar. As you can see, the storage still has it. However, if I open a new tab, if I open this page in a new tab and check the storage for this one, this guy's local storage doesn't have anything. So I can verify that. I'm sorry, his session storage also doesn't have anything. If I do foo, I get undefined or null. Same thing, if I go over here, I open a new session.html. This guy's going to have the foo bar thing because the script on this page actually sets foo equals bar. So if I look at the session storage now, it'll have foo bar. But if I open the next page or any other page on this website in the same tab, then the session storage retains the value. But if I open the same link in another tab, either by doing this, or even if I control click this link, it opens it in a new tab. And if you look at the session storage for this tab, it will not have the values. That means the session storage object is really a window-based object. It's kind of a child of a window, and its scope is the window object. It's really just like saying window.foo equals bar, although so I hope you get the idea. Don't store anything that's session related that you might think I'll grab this from, I'll put this value on this page in the session storage, and then on another page while the user is doing that, I'll come back to this session storage and I'll complete this workflow so I can use the user's idle time. Or if you're designing workflows like getting payments from a user and you're designing single page applications, so you want to load a little bit of content every now and then, and you're relying a lot on consistency of state on the client, this is not the object to use. Just use plain old cookies. But my point is, don't use the session storage. The session storage is not really the session storage because there's no such thing as an HTTP session. And I don't know if this is a bug or if this is, it's not really a bug. I think it's kind of buggy. I checked this on all browsers. It's there even on Chrome. If I go to localhost 8088/session.html, I see the same behavior on Chrome. If I go to application and if I go to session storage, this guy has foobar, but if I control click and I go to the session storage, it will not have anything. So it's kind of a bug in the sense, if you're expecting this to behave like a session, which I was, and I suddenly saw, damn it, I've got to go rewrite a lot of portions of something I already wrote earlier. Thankfully, it was my own. So don't do that. And this, I think it's a bug. Hello, Firefox, Chrome, can you fix this? I know the answer might be, dude, this is a window object and it's kind of scoped inside the window and this is by design. Okay, I get it. If it's not a bug, it's not a bug, but I just wanted to let you all know. I think it's kind of a bug because you shouldn't name it session storage because it's not a session then. Okay, bye-bye. And I understand it's different. It's difficult for a browser maker or vendor to identify, is this the same session if someone opens the same website on two tabs? I know it's kind of difficult because you don't know what the user is going to open, and HTTP being stateless, all of this gets really messy. So no complaints, just letting you know, don't use this in your designs.
Krishna, Bolo Krishna Krishna, Krishna Hey Krishna Krishna, Bolo Krishna Krishna, Oh Krishna Krishna, Bolo Krishna Krishna, Oh mero Krishna, jinka naam hai Gokul, jinka naam hai Krishna, jinka naam mero Krishna, jinka naam hai Gokul, jinka naam hai Krishna. यशोदा जिनकी मैया है, नंद जी बापैया है। यशोदा जिनकी मैया है, यशोदा 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 जिनकी मैया है, नंद जी बापैया है। यशोदा यशोदा जिनकी मैया है, ओ यशोदा जिनकी मैया है, ओ गंगा जी बापैया है। हे शशि गोपाल को बारंबार प्रणाम, प्रणाम है मेरो बारंबार प्रणाम है। कृष्णा कृष्णा बोलो कृष्णा कृष्णा बोलो कृष्णा कृष्णा बोलो कृष्णा कृष्णा, ओ 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा